Buddies! Something new happened again. I know you might be thinking, is Vikas gone mad? Because just last month they bought, Vikas's team got a new motorcycle that is an Impulse. And now they bought another motorcycle. Yeah. I have been thinking about buying this kind of a motorcycle for quite some time. And Nitin, I, Kishore, Pradeep, our team, we were sitting and discussing about this, and they said, yes, Vikas, we should buy it. And we just got up and booked one about 3 months ago, and it arrived. Look right there. Yes, we got Interceptor 650. Let's take a closer look. Of course, you all would have already seen many videos on the Interceptor 650. I wish we had got this motorcycle much earlier, but when it was launched, before it was launched itself, I have always been interested in buying this motorcycle, but after it was launched, we were thinking that we already have so many motorcycles which we haven't been riding. And also the motorcycle like our GSXR 1000, which needs a repair in the fuel injection system, which has been pending for 1.5 years. So I thought, should we really buy another motorcycle? But we ended up buying it. So we booked it in February, and exactly after 3 months, we got this beauty. I'm not doing any cinematic walkarounds or anything like that because you all have seen all of that many times on different channels. Anyhow, let's take a closer look. I first booked a silver color, then I asked a few women that I know which color should I buy, because I booked silver. They said orange, and when women like it, I buy it. Not just women, I asked my men friends also. And it's a beautiful color, absolutely beautiful. I like it. It looks really good in photographs and video. And why did we choose the Interceptor 650? Because we don't have this kind of a motorcycle. We have super bikes like the R1, GSXR 1000, the GSX 1100F. We have super sports like the RC 390. We have a Duke 390 and Impulse and all that. But so I have been looking to buy a motorcycle like this for quite some time. And when Royal Enfield had announced that they would be launching a parallel twin motorcycle which would have this beautiful classic look and which is going to be very, very comfortable, I decided that someday we will get this, and we got it. So primary reasons, yes, it's a 650cc, lot of torque. Lot means not huge amount of torque, but adequate amount of torque. Very, very refined considering it's a Royal Enfield. And enough acceleration. 47 horsepower is more than enough acceleration. And who knows, we might end up putting a Powertronic ECU, and we might be replacing the stock exhaust, which will give a little more horsepower, 4-5 horsepower probably. So that will make this even faster. I'm not sure if I'll be doing that, but yes, that is one of my plans. And I'll not be doing any serious unnecessary modifications because this motorcycle looks beautiful. I don't want to mess with beauty. So Nitin,
Yeah,
any ideas you have on your mind?
nothing. It looked
Huh?
it good. Look.
We are going to be installing, what is that called? That GPS
Maximus
thing?
Pro.
Maximus Pro, which has been there with me for 1.5 years now. I'll be installing that on this. I'll be installing a Bolt charger. And as I mentioned, probably aftermarket exhaust. And in the future, we are thinking about tubeless tires. I'll make a separate video about that. And the reason is, I'll mention in that video anyway. So now take a look at the video of the day when we went to take the delivery of this beautiful motorcycle. Excited. Ari showroom, Bombali. Yes. That is our bike. Let's go and sit. Pradeep, ready or test ride?
Ready.
Huh? Start the bandi. How's the feel, Pradeep? Wow. Baby, ignition key on. Right side. Very good. Kill switch on. Yes. Crank. Very good. Little more. Very good. Little more.
Without you, I remember myself